Stranger Things finale. Take one. Action. The Steve fakeout death got me. Totally got me. Johnson. Then the Duffers pulled an infinity war on us by having Eleven and Collie vanish. Poof. Mr. Clarke, I don't feel so good. What was with all those masked figures? It was like something out of Eyes Wide Shut. Totally confused me. Great movie, though. Stanley Kubrick. The one and only Winona Ryder. Then she beheaded him like Halloween H2O. You f***ed with the wrong family. Amy, his mother has never been more proud. Yes. One of Dustin's and Gaten's finest moments. But what happened to Vicky? What happened to Dr. K? The scientists and all the military bad guys. What happened to Max's mother, Susan Hargrove? The actress Jennifer Marshall suspects she wasn't brought back because of her cancer, even though she was in remission. What sucks about the situation is that returning to the show would have allowed her to keep her SAG health insurance. I'm getting over a cough myself. The actress, I can barely speak. The actress playing Claudia Henderson, Catherine Curtin, said she had scheduling conflicts. And yet, luckily, she made it to the epilogue. What happened to Lucas's parents for most of the season? I don't know what happened to it. Not that it matters, but what happened to Yuri and Dimitri / Enzo? It was a little frustrating that the play, the first shadow was required viewing. Look, no one in my family is particularly rich. Millie told Entertainment Tonight, quote, "The Duffers don't do anything half-assed," end quote, or something to that effect. And she was right. That being said, as revealed in one last adventure, the Duffers began filming The Right Side Up before they even had a script. They spent all this time wondering about Demogorgon fatigue, and also something else. And there's even a rumor that the Duffers used ChatGPT to finish the script. It's a miracle they achieved what they achieved here. That's the best I can do. I need another few days to recover. Cut.